Hello, what is up guys, the Technology Unboxer here, back with another video. Today, I'll be teaching you 5 tips to customize your Mac's dock. The first way to customize your Mac to your liking is by changing the dock's position on your screen. By default, the dock lies on the bottom of the screen, but it can be easily positioned on the left or to the right side of the screen. To change the dock's location, open System Preferences and go to Dock Preference pane. Then select where on the screen you want the dock to be next positioned on the screen. In addition to its position, the dock's color can be changed as well. This color switching option first became available in OS X Yosemite with the addition of a dark mode to OS X. It makes the menu bar, dock, and the spotlight search box dark instead of light. So, if you prefer having a dark dock than light one, go to System Preference and open General Preference pane. There, check the checkbox next to Use Dark Menu Bar and Dock. A third dock setting worth tweaking is magnification. When magnification is turned on, the icons become larger as your mouse hovers over them. This feature is great if you have a very small dock, as it allows you to easily view your dock's various items. To enable dock magnification, open System Preference and go back into the Dock Preference pane. Then check the checkbox next to Magnification and customize the magnification size to your liking. Placing file and folder in your dock for quick access can, in theory, boost your productivity as it makes them instantly available to you at any time on your Mac. To add file to your dock, simply drag a folder to your dock near to the trash, which is reserved for your files and folders. If you don't like the idea of having a dock on your Mac whatsoever, or you feel that your dock takes up too much valuable screen space, then you may want to hide your dock. When your dock is hidden, you can still access it by moving your cursor to wherever your dock is positioned on the screen. To enable dock hiding, open System Preferences and click the Dock Preference pane. Then check the checkbox next to Automatically Hide and show the dock. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel to watch more tutorial and tech related videos. Stay tuned. Peace out.
All we need is somebody to lean